Welcome to Storytime with Miss Mélange. I'm so thrilled that you can be here with us today. Go ahead and grab a comfy seat and let's get started. The title of our book today is My Heart Fills with Happiness by Monique Gray Smith. Enjoy. My heart fills with happiness when I see the face of someone I love. I smell bannock bacon in the oven. I sing. My heart fills with happiness when I feel the sun dancing on my cheeks. I walk barefoot on the grass. I dance. My heart fills with happiness when I hold the hand of someone I love. I listen to stories. I drum. What fills your heart with happiness? And that is the end of My Heart Fills with Happiness. My question to you is pretty much the same question that they asked you at the end of the story. What fills your heart with happiness? Go ahead and share that with someone. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to support my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.